What to do when this happens? Okay. Sometimes the bark of the tree or surface of the tree is so slippery that this won't touch enough tight. So we can use this kind of pulpwood hook as a help, and let's see how does it work. I already made the belly sewing. I cut the hinge away from this side, so we are going to roll on this way. And I have this birch stem as a rolling force. We could use also a tackle to roll, or van or tractor or train or winch or anything. Just give the enough power. But today we are using the manpower and a long stem. Let's see how does it work. Oh, hook didn't keep. It is coming anyway. Oh. Have to make it again. Now it's slippery. Yeah. Sometimes I make a sewing like that so that the hook won't slip away, because the bark is sometimes so narrow that it will break. But it went quite okay. here you see the belly. So I broke the hinge from this side and make the stem roll on.